To do this project, you're going to need your computer, a cereal box, aluminum foil, 4 rubber bands, a doormat, your Makey, and 2 alligator clips. Cut your cereal box into 4 pieces. You're going to need the front, the back, and the 2 side pieces. Now, take the front and the back of your cereal box and cover them in foil. Now take the sides of your cereal box and cut them into 3 pieces, each piece being slightly smaller than the one before. Now take your side pieces and fold them in half. Then stack them inside of each other and secure it with a rubber band. Your pieces should have a little give and bounce, almost like a spring. Now take one of your larger pieces and lay it down foil side up. Then add the springs you made to each side. Now take your other large piece and place it on top, foil side down. Connect one alligator clip to the large piece on the top, and then connect the other alligator clip to the large piece on the bottom. Get your Makey board and connect one alligator clip to the space button and the other one to Earth. Connect your Makey board to your computer, and then go to scratch.mit.edu to create your code. Copy this code in your Create space. Lay all your pieces out near your door, then cover it with a doormat and test it out.